This is my Yoni Oil, Chakra Herbal Infused Yoni Oil. And this is how I make it. This right here is what it looks like without the herbs in there. And this is the jar. You're going to need a jar. And I have a amethyst crystal inside. And you're going to need a stirring. And you're going to also need something to scoop it out with. And we're just going to add this in like that. First thing I'm going to, well, first let's get the herbs in there. We're going to add the blue lotus. And then we're going to add the calendula. And then we're going to add the mugwort. We're going to work all that in. Then we're going to just add the roses. We're going to add some rosemary. And the chamomile. Some lavender. Roses again. And there's no particular way to do it. This is just the way I choose to do it. I'm going to add the lavender. And we're just going to rake all the rest of it off into the jar. Try not to make a mess. This is why you want to have aluminum foil down. Just give it a little shake. I'm going to take the funnel and put it in there, and then we're going to start with the coconut oil. Running low on this one, so let me open up another bottle. And this is my brand right here, Third Eye. Just going to add that. Still pouring in the coconut oil. Okay. Then we're going to add the jojoba oil. And then we're going to add some sunflower oil. And the main star of this show is going to be sweet almond oil. And that's about how far we're going to fill it. And then we're going to stir it up. Take this off. And you can see all that goodness in there. Just give it a swirl. Make sure everything is incorporated. And we're going to put the lid on it. And I want you to see what it looks like up close. And this is what we have. This is the Yoni oil that will cure for up to about 6 weeks. And then we will have our final product. Adding the Rose Absolute. I normally do about 10 to 15 drops. I'm going to stir it again. And I also add the Blue Lotus Absolute. which I'm out of and hasn't come in yet, but that will be added as soon as it gets here tomorrow. I'm just going to show you what it looks like, the final product.